Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelechi Living Franklin, and in this video today I'm going to be sharing with you all a simple card that you can use in making your online payments and transaction. Yes, we all know that the debit card that we all get from our local bank account or bank are not that effective anymore, in which it's been attached to our bank and all of that. Many times they are not helpful whenever we want to make online payments. In fact, this card that we are talking about, or this local bank account or bank card that we use or that our banks give to us, they cannot charge us when we want to make online payments, and sometimes we'll see a lot of errors that will appear because we want to make transaction using our local bank account. But in this video I'm going to be sharing with you a simple virtual card or card that you can be able to use, in which you can be able to use in making your online payments and all of that. This has been a very big problem, especially for those of you who want to make online payment or want to buy something online or want to make a payment online and get whatever thing you want. So in this video I'm going to show you all you need to do. It is no longer a news that more and more persons are currently embracing the online transaction and payment, and this is the more reason why we need a card or a virtual card in which you can be able to make your online payment and get started with whatever thing you want. This is what I'm going to be showing you right now.
But before then, I want to make a shout out to Edwin Akile, Virals, Clean Official, Mr. Funny, Bezri1. I really appreciate it.
And I promise to keep dropping informative content. Please, if you are new to my channel, I do a random shout out to all my subscribers. So if you want me to make a shout out to you, all you just need to do is to click on the like button and go to the comment section and leave a meaningful comment, and I will pick you randomly and give you a shout out. So without wasting much time, I want to introduce you to a virtual card in which you can be able to use, and the card name or the card is called Barter virtual card. Yes, the card is known as Barter virtual card. Barter virtual card is a simple application that allows you to do different transactions online and give you access to create a virtual dollar card as well. Barter virtual card also gives you the opportunity to use the virtual card to shop anywhere in the world, especially when it comes to online. So it allows you to do any transaction on websites, make payments on platforms, and this gives you the opportunity to do whatever payment you want to do or transaction you want to do when it comes to the online transaction. So if your local bank account is giving you a lot of problem, or it's not allowing you to make payment, this virtual card that I'm going to be showing you will make things to become at ease, and you can use it to make a lot of payment for yourself. This comprises of you making payments on Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and a lot of online payment that you want to do. You can use your virtual card to do that. At least it's amazing, and you can be able to use that. So the first thing you need to do is to come to your Play Store. When you come to your Play Store, you just go and type Barter. You type Barter virtual card. You type Barter. Once you type on Barter, you will see Barter by Flutterwave. Yes, that's the app. So once you type Barter by Flutterwave, it will appear like this. All you just need to do is to click on download, and you download it to your phone. Yes, you download it already. It's on my phone. What does the Barter virtual card do? The virtual card gives you the opportunity to get instant virtual dollar card for your online payments. It also helps you to send money instantly, and the charges are for free. And you can do that across wherever you want to do. It can also enable you to request for money instantly from a friend or from a family members and all of that. Barter also gives you the opportunity to make to buy airtime and make payments online and a lot of that. So it also gives you a quick insight what you have done with your money and all of that. So it gives you the notification and all of that. So all you just need to do is to go download it and put it on your phone. Once you have done that, once you have been able to download it, it will give you the opportunity for you to register or for you to create a new account for yourself. When you create a new account for yourself, it gives you the opportunity to put in your BVN or to link your local bank account to it. You can link your local bank account, put in your BVN in order for it to start working effectively and all of that. As you can see in this particular account, in my Barter account, I have about 2,600 naira in it. If you come down to the home page down, you will see that it has home, cards, transaction, and more. All these are what you can be able to do. It gives you the opportunity to request money, send money, buy airtime, make payments, and a lot of things that it can be able to do. So the normal Barter card has a lot of limit. That is why it's important for you to create a dollar card. And for you to create a dollar card, all you just need to do is to come to this particular place, the right card down below here. As you can see, you click on this card. Once you click on the card, all you just need to do is to click on new card. When you click on this new card, it will take you to the page where you can have the option for you to create a virtual card or you create a gift card. Now, all you just need to do is to create a virtual card. You don't need a gift card. When you click on create a virtual card, it will ask you what name do you want to label on the card. You just put in the name and you get started. The name I want to use is and I click on it. Once I click on it, give me the option for me to choose which particular color I want or what I want the card to be designed with. I'll leave it at this particular color and then I'll click on continue. They're asking me how much do I want to fund this card with, and the least amount in which you can fund this card is with $5. But because of the charges and other things that will be involved, you will be charging total $7. Let me just click the $5 and allow it to process. Yes, and as you can see here, they say you'll be debited a total of $7 for this transaction at today's market exchange rate. These people, they are charging exactly like the black market. All I have to do is to click on continue. Once you click on continue, the card will be created for you and you'll be deducted automatically and your card will be created for you. So guys, after you must have created your virtual card, it will appear in this particular home screen. All you just need to do is to copy out your 16-digit code in which you can be able to use and your validity date in which you can use. Then you can also turn it in order for you to see your CVV in which you can be able to use in making your online payments and all of that. So this is simple, guys. This is simple. This makes your work more easier. This makes your work more easier. You can make your transaction and get whatever thing you want. So guys, don't fail to do this. You can be able to do that and make your payments online if you follow this step-by-step process I have shown you. Okay, this is it, guys. This is it. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to use the link in the description box in order for you to register with a virtual card and get started. This is it, guys. This is it, guys. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time, and don't forget to turn on the post notification so that you'll be notified whenever I drop money making videos like this. See you on my next video. Peace.